Web design mistakes that kill. The process of getting people to your website requires investments of both time and money. The last thing you want is for these investments to start paying off by driving visitors to your site only to find out that they're bouncing off in droves. Avoiding these web design mistakes will help you avoid the painful realization that not having an online storefront might be better than one that's just making visitors angry. A related problem is when web design priorities results on the basis of how many query terms they contain, rather than on the importance of each document. Much better if your search engine screams best bets at the top of the list, especially the important issues, such as the names of your products. The home page and landing pages sound like the company's resume. Most visitors are arriving at the site looking for a solution to a problem. Content that sounds like a business that's just patting itself on the back and doesn't convey the solutions to visitors' problems will have them headed elsewhere fast. Instead, direct the content on these pages toward what the website can do for the visitor. If you really want to give your company props, save it for the About Us page. A slow-loading splash page. Searchers are already impatient, so making them wait and then watch a splash page which does nothing for them isn't a great way to start the relationship. Instead, skip the splash page completely and take visitors to a page which quickly explains that they have found what they're looking for. Hide content that's relevant visitors' search terms or skip it altogether. Visitors, especially if they're new to the site, will make a fast assumption that they're in the wrong place and bounce off looking for a simpler interface. Instead, hit your visitors between the eyes with content, headers, etc. that is relevant to their search term. Take a kitchen sink approach to home and landing pages. Throwing everything you've got at your visitors stands a much better chance of disorienting them than selling them something they weren't initially looking for. Instead, keep your pages simple and directed at the search terms that are driving visitors to them. Use fonts that don't look professional. The quality of your content will not matter if it looks like it's been written with a pink crayon. It's fine if you're blogging about your cat, but using it on a B2B or B2C site isn't going to work. Instead, use any of the fonts that give a professional appearance. Visitors are arriving at your site asking, "What's in it for me?" Remember that, and you'll avoid some of the biggest web design mistakes. For more information on building a mistake-free website, visit http://www.initglobalsolutions.com.